안녕하세요 여러분. 다시 와줘서 너무 고마워요. Today we're gonna be making homemade kimchi with limited ingredients. So let's go. So first I'm gonna be washing the cabbage with salt water just to be sure that it is clean before proceeding with the rest of the process. So, kimchi is a traditional Korean side dish consisting of salted, fermented vegetables and most often napa cabbage or Korean radish. While there are different methods of prepping the cabbage, I have chosen based on personal preference to chop the cabbage into smaller pieces. Well, mostly because I've got limited ingredients for this batch. So for those who haven't had kimchi before, the taste of kimchi can vary depending on the specific ingredients used and for how long it is fermented. But generally it is spicy, sour and slightly tangy. So right now I'm soaking the cabbage in salted water and I'm gonna be leaving it for 1 hour at least. There are several varieties of kimchi. Some are milder than the others, some may just contain cabbage, while others may have different vegetables. So it's 1 hour now and I'm taking it out of the salted water so I can begin to add the other ingredients. So here I am mincing some garlics for the kimchi. Actually guys, this is my second time of making kimchi and my first time making kimchi I had more ingredients than this batch. I have just added the garlic to the cabbage and I'm mixing with my hands to get it all worked in. Next I am going to be adding some sugar to the cabbage. And also some salt, just a little bit of salt. Next, I'm going in with this gochujang sauce, which is pepper paste, mixed with some other spices. And following that is Gochugaru, which is chili powder, and I consider this to be the second lead star of the show. Ideally, I should be working these ingredients with my hands, 근데 손잡갑이 없어요. Cha-chan! This is the final dish and I'm going to be storing in a jar to ferment for a couple of days before I can start to eat it. Thank you for watching. Bye!